Hello guys. So in this video we will make a member code because for bid assign we need a member code. And the last video we do beds. So this is the beds and you can create a bed by bed number and create a room and also enter the description, small description, not a long. In make a member section and member part or member module. So let's get started. PHP addition make model and model name is member hyphen m to generate a migration for the member with model. It's created. Now let's define the thing. Dollar table string has name, email has unique because every member has unique email, and third one is password, date of birth, and religion, gender, address and a text, guardian number, and guardian and name, and username. So this field is enough. Let's clear this and make controller for that member. So first we will use fill this property in a model because then later it will throw the error. Member.blade.php and write some code here. First you will write protected dollar table equal to members and protected dollar variable. So we will do like that and remove the unique field and remove the text. This format document, that's good because we will use a create method. The payable property is required, so let's create a controller for that. PHP addition make a controller and admin has member controller. It's create successfully. Now let's code here where we write some six functions. The first function is for index and return view member dot admin dot member dot list, and we will return all the members, member, latest, and get. Import the member, pass in a compact members. Now the second function is for create public function, create pass and return view, and view will be admin dot member dot create. The second function is for the third function is for public store, and a store we will pass request dollar request. Now we will dollar request to validate everything is proper. Member add successfully. So let add the field is here. Go to here and copy this. And one field we forget. That's the image. So what is the image of the member? So let's see here image. Pass here the image. Okay. Copy this and go to the member controller. Already pasted. Let control D it and pass here required and something like email will be email and unique in users email, like a password, date of birth, religion, gender, address, and pass the image required. It will be image, it will be memes, png, jpeg, and with p as maximum 124 and 124 kb. So let it convert to 2 underscore route. Let's go to member model and use here image. Perfect. And use like validate and pass the image, and we will pass request has file, and a file has image, store in a member, and pass the public. This is perfect. Good one. Now the fourth function is for update. Edit public function, edit and pass the id. Let find member by id. So member find or pail dollar id and return view member dot update. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's the store function. and just change the name to update and pass the parameter id. Here we pass update and pass $id. Everything is same, that will be nullable, and remove this. Okay, and use here the dollar member equal to member point or pale dollar id. So it will give you all the member, and we will pass here dollar member has update. Now let's check here if dollar request has file as image. If exist, then do this. Else copy and paste it here, and pass here remove this, and pass here member has image. Just it's done. Format document, and member update successfully. Now the last function is for delete public function delete public function delete. Okay, let pass id here, and like this, return member delete successfully. So all the function are done, are done. Now let's go to the web.php file, and we will create a routes for that. So we will copy and paste and change controller name to member controller. It's important because now the VS Code is very heavy, so that's why it take a little bit time. Let's import this and change the bit to member. That's done. Now let's start on the UI. So go to the resources folder and views and admin. Add the branch. So we'll adjust this one, and it rename. Where is it? Let copy again and paste it here. Okay, this one. Let's rename it to member. The first is per index, so we will render first this and then go to, and this way we will do one by one, because in a whole we can we through the errors, so that's why we do one by one. Let convert to member, and this is the branch to convert to members. Now let come down and remove e from here. This is the name, email, name, and gender. These things are enough, and it will be image. So let name, email, username, and gender. Enough. This thing is enough for a while. So let write here sidebar, and duplicate, not a duplicate, it is the one, so we will use a branch category. It is branch, not this one. Copy and go to the under dashboard, we will paste it. So change name to member, and also member, and this is the member, and this one also the member. That's enough, and now everything is done. Now go to here and reload. I hope no errors. Thank you. And let's start members. It through the error, so let's migrate. So it's migrating successfully. Now reload. This is the list of member. So if we click on add members, so it show this. So let's modify this one. Change name to member, and change branch to member. Perfect. Now member has name, so it will be member, it will be name. So member has remove this category. Member has email, we will pass here email. That's good. Already email is right here, so we will pass username here, username, and click username, and pass here also username. This is email, and now name is done, email is done, date of birth, password, religious, and everything are here. Let's write date of birth, pass here date, and instead of upon we will pass date of birth, date of birth, and okay, no field is here. This one is for religion. Copy and paste it here. Capacity change to religion, and guardian number, guardian name, guardian guardian name, change to putter to guardian name. also this one. Okay, and logo to convert to image. This is the logo. This will be image. No need this. Address already exists. And which thing are remaining? Name is done. Password, gender, address is done. Gender and username and image. Gender as guardian done. So let's duplicate this one. And guardian number, change name to number. This is to number. This is done. Now the password is not right here, so write password for that. Get and password, write also password here and change this to password. Sorry, and remove the old because we not use state of password, previous state of password, so later it will be password. It's done. Now go to here and reload it. No issue. Okay, that's great. Now enter the name as my name, enter the this email and enter the email. This username is this because we not added the gender, so it will throw the error of a gender. Enter the address and submit. If we click on this, so it will throw the error. See, gender is required, so we will use for this select box here, copy, paste it here, remove this one, change to select gender, class is palm control, and select, sorry, option, select gender, option, male, female. Now this one is perfect. Reload. Let's add the data. Name is this, username is my username, and gender is male, email is this, and password is 23, date of birth is 21, religion is Islam, and guardian number is this, and guardian name is this, and guardian number is this, and select the profile image and submit. Admin dot member dot index is not defined, so let's change to list. Member controller, this one, and change this to list. Just a sample. List list. Okay, that's done. Reload it. Go back and click on the member list. See, these are here. The image is not appearing, so we will migrate this. Okay, the image is not uploaded, I think. We not use image is uploaded, not sure. Each piece link. I think now will be shown. It's generating. Now generate successfully. Let reload it. Now the image will be appear in a second. See, now click on the edit and edit. It will throw the errors. So for that we will go to on here and copy whole thing and go to the this and paste it here. Just a sample. And now change create to update. And this is the member, this is the update has id, and dollar member has id. This is done. Now select the old, control DDD and change to dollar member has name. Let change and check and change. So this one selected, dollar member has male, member has gender equal to male, and again copy and paste. This will be gender male to female. Email is done. Password, remove the password field. No need to enter the password again. So we will update it. No problem. Date of birth and religion and guardian number and guardian name, and we will show here image. Let's show the image here. Img asset storage slash dot. Remember has image and pass the width here. Width is 200 pixel. This is the address and this is done. This is done. Now let's reload it and do one thing. Go to the member controller and in a password and check the condition. If allow request has password, if it is exist, then update this. Pass here password. Request has password. And if not exist, so use the old one. Member has password, but it will encrypt it. So let's do what's happening. So everything is there, and remove the validation from the password. It will be nullable. Perfect. So let's reload again. Everything is done. Now change this to 111 and submit. It submit successfully. So the member CRUD operation is done. And next to it, we will assign a bid to a member, and then we do like that. And this little module will be done, and we will complete this project very quickly. So thank you for watching.